Have you ever wondered just how many people in the UK trust Lloyds Bank with their finances? It's a question that pops up surprisingly often, especially given Lloyd's prominent presence on high streets across the country and its iconic black horse logo. We see their branches, their ATMs, and their ads, but what does that really translate to in terms of actual customers? Lloyds Bank isn't just a single entity, it's a key part of the much larger Lloyds banking group. This group is a financial powerhouse in the UK, encompassing several well-known brands that you might already be familiar with, even if you don't immediately associate them with Lloyds. Think about it, names like Halifax, Bank of Scotland, and even Scottish Widows are all under the Lloyds banking group umbrella. This wide portfolio means they reach a massive cross-section of the British public, from individuals managing their everyday current accounts to businesses seeking complex financial solutions, and even those planning for their pensions and investments. So, when we talk about Lloyds Bank customers, it's important to remember we're often looking at the broader picture of the entire Lloyds banking group. And when we do, the numbers are quite impressive. According to their own reports and public information, Lloyds Banking Group serves a staggering 30 million customers across the UK. Let that sink in for a moment, 30 million. That's a huge proportion of the UK population. It highlights just how deeply integrated Lloyds Banking Group is into the financial lives of people across England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. This isn't just about current accounts, it includes customers with savings accounts, mortgages, loans, credit cards, and a whole host of other financial products. Within that 30 million, the digital presence is also massive. As of recent reports, Lloyds Banking Group boasts around 28 million digitally active users, with over 20 million of those regularly using their mobile app. This signifies a huge shift in how people are managing their money, with a strong preference for digital channels. During peak times, their digital platforms see an incredible 28,000 logons per minute, making them one of the most used digital services in any industry. This digital transformation is a key focus for the group, continually improving their online and mobile offerings to meet modern customer demands. Why do so many people choose Lloyds? Well, their long-standing history, brand recognition, and extensive branch network certainly play a role in their widespread appeal. They've been a fixture in British banking for centuries, building a reputation for reliability. Furthermore, the diverse range of products and services, catering to various financial needs, makes them a convenient one-stop shop for many individuals and businesses. They are also the UK's largest mortgage lender, having provided around £100 billion to first-time buyers since 2018. In essence, when you ask how many people use Lloyds Bank, you're looking at a significant portion of the UK population, served by a massive financial institution that continues to evolve its offerings, particularly in the digital space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.